It's Tony, your Pop House Workshop, and this week we're finishing up a memory board for my daughter. It's got cut out for Lake Superior and filled with some excellent epoxy from Alumilite. We got General Finishes hard wax oil for the win there, and the carving courtesy of our laser, the Dot 2 from Wizmaker. We really appreciate Wizmaker contributing that to our shop. It's been excellent to have. So follow along in the video as we go through making this memory board. All right, you've seen the final product, and here's where she started with some hard maple, walnut, belly, and purple heart. So this is where we begin. Time to chop these things down, run them through the table saw, get some straight edges, and getting everything set up for glue. All right, quick break in the action to talk about the versatility of the gripper. As you can see, it's saved my hand on more than one occasion. But if I loosen each of these knobs up, we get a little bit of that ability to slide them back out of the way, which is handy because a couple of these cuts I've made have been narrower, so I needed a little more room on this side or on this side of the gripper, and I can just move that middle brace. Sometimes it's a little sticky, but I can move that to accommodate how narrow I have to get on some of these rips to keep my hand away from the blade. So, just a little safety tip in this video. All right, so we're moving along. We've got the laser has done its job. We've got this sanded down to where we're comfortable with it. Feels nice. Now we're on to mixing hard wax oil to put a nice finish on this. All right, we're all done. Let's do a quick tour of the stars of the show for our memory board. We have the Wizmaker, named the Dot 2. So that's been indispensable in the shop now. We really appreciate Wizmaker being a sponsor of our shop and our videos. And then for the memory board itself, we've got a cutout here. A friend at work did it with his CNC. Carved that out, Lake Superior. My daughter loves Lake Superior. General Finishes hard wax oil for just fantastic color on these woods. I know earlier on I identified that as maple. I was wrong, and I think I've corrected that with a little caption over in there. That's honey locust, Beeley, purple heart, walnut. So those are the woods we've got in there. As we said, General Finishes. We used Alumilite resin to fill that with some pigments from Starbond. So really all the great products that we're using here in the shop, we're happy with all of them and ecstatic with how that board turned out. We're really, really happy with that. Couldn't be happier, in fact. So really jazzed about having this project done. I started this before I had my stroke, so it's been kind of lagging behind as I lag behind. So got it done. So I'm really happy about that. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate that you took your time out to watch us in another project here in the shop. And hopefully you enjoyed it. And maybe you'll like, subscribe, share it with your friends, please. We'd like other people to see our content, see if they enjoy what we're doing, and hopefully you did as well. So I hope you're having a great day. And remember, you can do this.